Hi guys, it's Keith Arkberg Farms. Just cropped out my all-star mix over here in the up front show plot. As you can see here behind me. And now I'm going to do the ultimate no-till, quick time cropping type thing to this. So let me show you. Okay, so this is basically no-till at its finest. I cropped out my all-star. Got maybe, I don't know, 20 pounds out of this bed. Not the best in the world, but germination was a little bad. But what I have to do now is go through and get these guys out, because these go to seed almost immediately. They're literally everywhere in here. I'll go through and get these out real quick, and we'll proceed to the next step. So, went through, got most of the spreader weeds out of there. Any of the large clumps of grass I found. It only took me about 5 minutes. Got about, I don't know, half, 3/4 of a bucket. Now, I'm gonna go get some compost. Spread it across this. Probably get 2 5-gallon buckets. This is one of my shorter rows, it's up front. A little oddball, I think it's only 36 feet from end to end where I've actually got the growing room. So we get some compost and spread it out. We'll move to the next step. So now went and got myself 2 5-gallon buckets of compost. I'm going to spread them across this bed, and then we'll kick on the irrigation. Now we're ready to kick on the irrigation. About, it's decently wet, maybe 5-10 minutes. This way we take all of our brand new compost we just layered on and get it nice and moist and get all of the workings of the compost going. So hopefully in 2 weeks after we uncover this, it'll be a nice flat prepared bed. All we have to do is add a little bit of fertilizer to it and plant. All right, now I'm gonna start at the top, stretch out my landscape fabric and pin it down. Now with both my ends pinned, I'll go through and pin it about every, about 8 to 10 foot, and then stretch it tight across both sides and show you when I'm done. All right, now, so here we go. Now, the idea behind this is to get it good and tight across, and the other way, get the end sealed off really good and well on both sides. That way, it'll not only trap the heat from the sun down on it, it also traps the humidity underneath it. And by doing that, with the mixture of the earthworms and the biological activity of the compost, it should just make this stuff melt away in 2 weeks without a problem. So just to show you that, we'll come back in 2 weeks and I'll show you it. So there's the bed. We tarped this 2 weeks ago. Let's take a look and see what it looks like. That looks really good. Let me bring you down here and take a look at it. This is after 2 weeks. A couple rubber bands left from the previous harvest. And then everything else has melted away perfectly. Even what little grass was here, it's dry and crispy. So that is perfect. That's exactly what we want. That'll make a nice stale seed bed. We'll be able to plant in that without any problems at all. Go ahead and get this uncovered the rest of the way. So, after 2 weeks, got a nice free seed bed here. I'll just sprinkle some fertilizer out, seed it right in the top, and I'm done. So, hope you all like what you saw today. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank y'all. Have a good day.